Today we are going to study the unitary method in the exercise 11.3, which is on the page number 159. So what is unitary method? It is to find the cost of one item. It is to find the cost of one item. If we have to find the cost of one item, then we will use the formula total cost divided by total number of items. And if we have to फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स, मतलब एक से ज्यादा अगर हमें फाइंड करने होंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे, कॉस्ट ऑफ वन आइटम मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स. So let's see the question number 1 of the exercise 11.3 unitary method. How will we use these two things in the question, these two formulas in the question. So here we have 5 kg of potatoes is the cost of 90 rupees. You can see if you have to buy a chocolate, then one chocolate is of 10 rupees, then 10 chocolates is of 100 rupees. How you find this? You multiply 10 and this 10, then you will get 100. If you have 10 chocolates of 120 rupees, then the cost of one chocolate you will find by dividing 120 and 10, that the answer will be 120 by 10, then the answer will be 12. So the cost of one chocolate will be 12. But if it is saying then 10 chocolates are of cost 120, then tell me the cost of 15 chocolates. Now this type of questions are in your syllabus. So you have to first find the cost of वन चॉकलेट. अगर मुझे एक चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट पता लग जाए, यहाँ 10 चॉकलेट्स की कॉस्ट पता है, 15 की पूछ रहा है, अगर मुझे एक चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट पता लग जाए तो मैं बता सकता हूं कि 15 चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट कितनी है. वही हम यूज करेंगे, दैट 10 चॉकलेट्स हैज 120, देन वन चॉकलेट विल बी 120 अपॉन 10 एंड दैट विल बी 12. अब मुझे पता है कि वन चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट कितनी है, 12 रुपीज. नाउ द कॉस्ट ऑफ 15 chocolates will be equals to 15 multiplied by this, the cost of one and number of items. We have to find the 12 and then we will get the answer. So this is how we are going to do this question. The cost of 5 potatoes is given is rupees 90. Now we have to find the cost of 1 kg of potatoes. अगर मुझे 1 kg of potato की कॉस्ट पता लग जाए तो मैं 15 kg ऑफ पोटैटोज की कॉस्ट आराम से बता सकता हूं, राइट. इफ अगर मुझे दिया हुआ है 5 kg पोटैटोज इज ऑफ 90 रुपीज एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 15 kg, देन आई हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1, देन आई कैन फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 15. अगर मुझे 5 की दी हुई है और 15 की पूछ रहा है, अगर मेरे पास 1 kg की कॉस्ट होगी तभी मैं 15 kg की इजीली निकाल सकता हूं. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg potato, we got the cost of one item is equals to total cost. What is the total cost? 90 rupees is divided by 90 rupees is divided by the total number of items. The total number of items are here we have 5. So the division we get, the answer will be rupees 18. 18 5s are 90. So the cost of 15 kg. Now we have to find the cost of 15 kg. It means cost of required number of items, which is the cost of one item. The cost of 1 kg is 18. The rupees 18 is the cost of 1 kg. Now we have to multiply it with the required number of item, and the required number of item is 15. We have to multiply 18 by 15 and we will get the answer rupees 270. So that's how we will get the answer. The cost of 15 kg of potatoes is 270. So this is how we are going to do the question number 1. Now we will do the question number 2. Now the question number 2. The question number 2 is saying the cost of 15 meter of a piece of cloth. 15 meter of a piece of cloth is 2700. It means 15 meter piece of cloth is of rupees 2700 and we have to find the cost of 50 meter and we have to find the cost of 50 meters. So this 15 meter cost is 2700. Then we have to find the cost of 1 meter, then we have to find the cost of 1 meter, then we will find the cost of 50 meter. That फर्स्ट हमें दे रखा है 15 मीटर की कॉस्ट, दे रखी है 50 मीटर की कॉस्ट पूछ रहा है, तो हमें पहले क्या पता होना चाहिए, 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट पता होनी चाहिए, तभी हम 50 मीटर की कॉस्ट निकाल सकते हैं. 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट के लिए वी हैव टू डू the division of the total cost. What is the total cost? 2700, and we have to divide it by the total number of items, that is 15. So 2700 divided by 15, and we got the cost of 1 meter, and we got the cost of 1 meter, that is rupees 180. That is rupees 180. You can divide it in the rough column. So we know the cost of 1 rupees, like अगर आपको 15 चॉकलेट्स की कॉस्ट दी हुई है 2700 रुपीज, आपको 1 चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट निकालनी है, तो आप डिवाइड करके निकालेंगे. देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 50 चॉकलेट्स. Then you have to find the 50 chocolates cost and you will multiply by it by 50, और यहाँ जो आंसर आएगा वो इसका ही आंसर होगा, जो 1 चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट निकल के आएगी. और हमने डिवाइड करना है, तो 2700 by 15 and will be the cost will be 180 रुपीज, और 180 का हम 50 में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा. तो हमारी 15 चॉकलेट्स का आंसर निकल आएगा. दैट्स हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस. सो अगेन वी हैव टू फाइंड द cost of 50 meter, then we have to multiply it by the required number of items. अगर हमें निकालने हैं the cost of one item, the cost of one item is rupees 180 is the cost of one item, and total number of items are 50. Then the answer will be 9,000 rupees. The answer will be 9,000 rupees. That's how we are going to solve the question number 2. Now the question number 3 we will solve. Now the question number 3 is the rent of a shop for a year. For a year. Year means एक साल. 1 year is 6 lakh. Then what is the rent for 8 months? Then what is the rent for 8 months? So we all know that the 1 year is equals to 12 months. That we all know that 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 12 months is having rent 6 lakh. Then we will find for 1 month. 1 month के लिए हमें डिवाइड करना होता है, तो हम 6 lakh को डिवाइड कर देंगे 12 से. 6 lakh को 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे, then it will be 50,000. Then it will be 50,000. 1 मंथ का निकाल लिया हमने. अब हम 8 मंथ्स का इजीली बता सकते हैं, that we will multiply 50,000 by what? 50,000 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 50,000 multiplied by 8, and that will be the answer, and answer will be 4 lakh. So this is how we will solve the question number 3. That is very easy to solve. Now we will do the question number 4, which is also very easy. Now in question number 4, we have a man earns 82,400 in just 2 months. Then how much he will earn in a year? एक साल में वो कितना कमाएगा? Now the earning in 2 months we know that is 82,400. So we will find for the 1 month earning. We will find the 1 month earning, and that we will get by the division. 82,400 divided by 2. Then we will get 4,1,200 rupees. Now the cost of 1 month, the earning of 1 month we got. Then we have to find for a year. एक साल के लिए निकालना है. That 1 year has 12 months. तो हम 12 months के लिए निकाल देंगे. That will be rupees 4,1,200 multiplied by 12, and the answer will be very easily you can find by normal multiplication. That is 4,94,400 rupees. So for the 12 months, that is 4,94,400 rupees. So that's how we are going to solve this question. Now we will solve the question number 5. Now the question number 5. The cost of a tray containing 2 dozens of eggs. 2 dozens of egg is 256. So we all know that 1 dozen is equals to 12. That is very important thing that you know, that 1 dozen मतलब एक दर्जन, जो आप बोलते हो एक दर्जन हिंदी में वही है 1 dozen is equals to 12. So 2 dozen will have 24 eggs. So 24 eggs is equals to 256. So we will find the cost of 1 egg. Then we will find the cost of 10 egg. Then can we find the cost of 10 eggs? So the cost of 1 egg, we will divide now. We will divide 256 by 24. We will divide 256 by 24. That's how we will find the cost of 1 egg. 24 eggs are equals to rupees 256. Then we will have to divide it by 24. Then we will get the cost of 1 egg. Now divide it by 24. That was 0. We will divide it by 1 time. Then 24. Now subtract. We will get 1 and 6 will be here. No division is done in 16 from 24. Then we will write 0 here. Now we will introduce decimal here. Then we will introduce 0 here. Now this is 0, we come here, 0 will come here. Now how many times we will go? 6 times. 6 times it is 144. Now subtract. Subtraction करेंगे, then it will be 14 again, 16 again. It will be 16 again, then we will call one more 0 here, then it will be 60 again, and 6 times again it will divide, then 144, and it will continue. And it will continue with the 16, 0 then come with 144, then again 160, then 144, then again we will got 6666 here. So the cost of 1 egg is equals to rupees 10.66. So the cost of 1 egg is equal to 10.66. What is the cost of 10 eggs then? Now we will multiply rupees 10.66 multiply by 10 is equals to rupees 10.6 is our answer. So this is how you will get the answer of question number 5, which is little bit tricky because we got the cost of 1 egg in decimal, then the cost of 10 egg is also in decimal because we have to multiply. Normal multiplication अगर आप करते हो इसका, then 10660, right? Normally multiplication ये आ जाएगा. Then the decimal in the multiplicand we have after 2 digits. Then we will introduce the decimal after 2 digits here. So this is the method to multiply. Okay, so this is how you are going to finish this exercise. This exercise is very important. Do it properly. Thank you and have a nice day, beta.